A new bill in Congress could pause almost every pathway to legal immigration in the U.S. The measure, known as H.R. 6225 or the PAUSE Act, was introduced by Representative Chip Roy and is now pending in the House Judiciary Committee. If passed, it could fundamentally reshape how visas, green cards, and citizenship are granted in the U.S. Hello everyone, I'm Erick Widman, an attorney at Passage Immigration Law. In this video, I'll explain what H.R. 6225 is, why it matters to you, and what steps you can take to protect yourself and your family. Traditionally, U.S. immigration law has provided predictable paths for lawful permanent residents, temporary workers, students, and families. You apply for a visa or green card, the government reviews your application, and a decision is made based on the law. That predictability is what allows people to build their lives here. But this law could change that approach entirely. First, it could pause or suspend almost all visas and status adjustments, except for short-term tourist visas. That means family petitions, employment-based green cards, student work visas, and even the diversity visa lottery could all be put on hold. For people already in the US, this creates massive uncertainty. So let's say you applied for a green card through your US citizen spouse. You're living in the US on an H-1B visa. Normally, once USCIS processes your I-485, you would get your green card and become a permanent resident. But with this law, H.R. 6225, USCIS could freeze your application so you cannot complete that final step. You would remain on your H-1B visa, waiting a very long time. This is particularly risky because your H-1B status is temporary. A long freeze could cause you to lose your underlying status and be forced to leave the US. Second, the bill could restrict birthright citizenship, potentially affecting children born in the US to non-citizen parents. That's a major shift from the long-standing understanding of who qualifies as a US citizen at birth. Yes, this is a major shift. The 14th Amendment has guaranteed citizenship at birth for over 150 years, stating all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States. This bill would create a two-tiered system, potentially leaving some children without citizenship based on their parents' immigration status. This part of the bill is likely to face immediate and massive constitutional challenges, but the uncertainty alone could have a huge impact on families. Third, it creates legal uncertainty for those already in the US. Even if you're on a valid visa or have a green card, while laws generally cannot change the outcome of a case that's already finalized, this bill potentially could alter these rules and eligibility for pending cases. But let's say you got a conditional green card after marriage. Normally, after 2 years, you'd file to remove the conditions and get a 10-year green card. With this law, H.R. 6225, this step could become much harder. You could lose your permanent resident status even though you've followed all the rules. This adds immense risk to every single application currently in the system. So, what should you do right now? The time to act is before these rules potentially change. Here are 4 clear steps. Number 1, stay informed. H.R. 6225 is still in the House Judiciary Committee and hasn't become law yet. Subscribe to my channel and I'll keep you updated on any changes, votes, or new developments that could affect immigration law and your rights. Number 2, talk to an immigration attorney. If you have ongoing applications or any immigration issues, now's the time to review your case and explore options. Specifically, if you're currently on an expiring non-immigrant visa, like an H-1B, and you plan to file for your green card this year, that case should be reviewed immediately to explore all available filing options before any freeze takes effect. Number 3, keep your documentation organized and accurate. Any mistakes or missing information could be used against you if the bill passes. With greater scrutiny and legal uncertainty, the government will be looking for any reason to deny or delay a case. Make sure every piece of evidence and form is flawless. Number 4, avoid taking risks on your own. Potential changes like this and new restrictions are complex. Legal guidance is crucial to protecting your status and your future. At its core, This potential law marks a major shift. It changes the stability of green cards, citizenship, and visas in ways we haven't seen in decades. For those who are eligible, the safest option remains U.S. citizenship. But for everybody else, immigration rules are getting stricter and there's less room for mistakes. If you're worried about your status or want guidance, give us a call today or visit passage.law to schedule a consultation. We can help you understand the risks, explore alternatives, and protect your future in the U.S. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with someone who might need it. Drop your questions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video.